Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. I'm your Excel Guru and today I'll tell you how to how to create a VBA code, how to write a VBA code for changing the print layout to landscape and then assigning a command button like this to run that code. Alright, well let's see what we're trying to do today. Alright, so first of all, we are already in the landscape mode. I am aware of that because I have already tested the macro. See, as of now we are in the portrait mode, right? So this is the portrait mode, which can also be verified from the fact that this line is appearing over here, this line is appearing over here, which indicates that we are in the landscape mode, in the portrait mode. Now if I click over here, see what will happen. Observe these two lines. This is on I as of now, right? It has shifted to M, correct? So we have moved to the landscape mode. This I did with the use of a VBA code, which is very simple to write. I'll tell you how to write that code. By now I'm sure you would have learned through my previous videos how to activate the developer tab in your Excel. Alright, once you've activated the developer tab, all you need to do is click on developer and then click on Visual Basic. You can also achieve this by pressing Alt F11. Now once you click over here, I have already entered a VBA code over here. Let me delete it for you. You will see this kind of screen. So what you need to do is you need to click on Sheet 1, Microsoft of Excel Objects, Sheet 1, because you are creating it in Sheet 1, right? Or if you are creating in Sheet 2, you need to select Sheet 2 and then click on Insert and then click on Insert Module, and then here is the code which says sub. That means it's a sub procedure, and then the name. I have named it macro 1. You can name it anything else, and then the actual formula, the actual code. It says active sheet dot page setup dot orientation. That means in the active sheet you want Excel to run the page setup option and change the orientation to landscape. So this is the code for that. Orientation space is equal to space x1 landscape and sub. Alright, we can test this also. As of now you see it's here on M. Let me change it back to the normal mode, which would be the landscape mode, portrait mode, and we close it away. Now you see it's on I, correct? And here's my VBA module. To test it, all I need to do is I can click on this. I click anywhere on this code and press this green play button, or I press F5, and let's see over here. See, it has moved from I to M, this line. So that means it's working. So that is how we have done it. And just press Ctrl S, that means save it, and then you can close it. Now we need to enter a command button over here. So to do that, we need to click on Insert and choose this button and then say OK. As soon as you insert this button over here, this Excel gets activated and asks you Excel jumps in and asks you okay, assign it a macro. So this is our macro which we have created. We have named it macro 1, right? So we will assign it to it and press on OK. And if I want to rename it, I'll just right click it, edit text, and I'll type in LAND. That's it. Now let me change the mode to page setup mode to portrait so that it becomes easier for to test. Now we are in the portrait mode. Now if I click on this button that we just assigned to the macro, see what will happen. See, we have been able to change the page setup mode from portrait to landscapes, and this we did with just a click of a button. So this Excel file that you're looking at is available for free download on my website myelesson.org. You click on the relevant video category, VBA training videos, and just in the video and just below the video that you're looking at, you'll see the button download. Click on that and you'll be able to download the file for free. And a very important thing for you, you see this button ask and tell. Well, if you press this, a forum would open wherein you will be able to ask your questions in relation to Microsoft Excel and VBA. And if you have some original content of yours which you would like to share with us, you can also go over here and submit your content. It's very easy to join this forum. Just click on login, submit the very basic details, and then there you go. So this is your Excel Guru now signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.